Hey guys, this is Michael Duda, your favorite part-time real estate agent out of Dundee, Michigan. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about an opportunity of a lifetime, and that is leveraging TikTok and incorporating it into your social media strategy. Now I'm going to get into more details in the video, but you could really use TikTok to explode your growth and raise more awareness to build your brand a lot quicker. So let's get into the details and get into the video. The basic framework you could view TikTok through is first and foremost building awareness for your brand with a younger audience. The main demographic on TikTok is 16 to 24-year-olds. Now, this is super important because that demographic really isn't buying and selling homes right now, but they will in the future. So you really want to target this audience and build your brand equity with this demographic because eventually they will be buying and selling homes. So once you build awareness for your brand, eventually you're going to convert that awareness into leads. And you can do this through multiple different strategies, but for the content of this video, you start with awareness, then the next layer is you convert that into a lead, and then the core of the framework is you convert those leads into sales. And like I said previously, because there is a younger audience on TikTok, this will probably take a little bit longer to do. But the way that TikTok is right now, you can really explode your growth so you get your brand on as many eyeballs as possible. Now, TikTok is a little bit different in terms of the content that works on it. So the type of content you want to be producing that resonates best with that younger audience is short form content with lower production value. Now, this is really interesting because that varies greatly from platforms such as YouTube. YouTube is mainly leveraged to build relationships with your audience, and more cinematic long form content works on YouTube. And that even varies greatly from Facebook. On Facebook, there's an older audience, so typically that platform you'll use just to engage with that older audience through comments. Also, you could actually list your properties on Facebook and you'll get a lot more conversions because that older audience wants to see those listed properties. Now, one of the best ways to get ideas for the type of content that is working is simply looking at successful people within your niche. You can use a broad hashtag or a more niche hashtag. Hashtag real estate works just fine. And you find the most popular creators within that niche, filter for their most popular videos, and then you can really get an idea of what type of content is resonating with that type of audience that is interested in the real estate niche. And then you could really use that as a foundation to start creating your own content. Now, I don't recommend copying one for one. You really want to use your creativity. However, you can use other people's content as a baseline so you don't have to completely reinvent the wheel. Okay, so let's summarize the framework. First, you want to start with your awareness. If you have no awareness or people aren't seeing your content, you're not going to convert into any leads and you are not going to get any sales. So first and foremost, you want the awareness. Then from the awareness, you want to convert those people into leads by getting their information. And then from the leads, you want to convert those leads into sales. Now, again, with TikTok, it is a younger audience, but really think about it as a huge opportunity to build brand equity with a demographic that will eventually buy or sell. And the way TikTok is right now, you can really explode your growth. So a lot of people will be able to see your content, which is a huge value add to your business. With all this TikTok talk, you guys should go check out my TikTok in the description below. I think checking it out will be a huge value add to you guys because you can see what I'm doing, and then you could use my videos as examples in order to create your own content. Also, follow me on there so you can really see my journey A to Z as I'm starting out as a part-time agent. And my main goal is to quit my full-time job so I can pursue this full-time as a business and we can all grow and motivate each other. If you guys receive value out of this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button to join my community. The main goal of my channel is to grow a community of inspired individuals so we can all push through that initial rough patch together. Also, check out my Discord below. It's more of a personalized space for you guys so you can network with each other, motivate each other, so we can really push that initial rough patch, because that's a huge value add, especially to new agents, because we all need that motivation. Also, I post every other Saturday at 12 p.m. because I'm still figuring out that optimal schedule for you guys in order to give you the content that you deserve. Also, please give me feedback in the comments below. I absolutely love and need your feedback, and that's the only way I'll be able to produce higher quality content, is by understanding what you guys need and want. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, join my Discord, give me feedback. Definitely check out my TikTok. Let's go out and get it and strive to quit those 9 to 5s.